यो हो हे व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन गाइस। स्वागत है सबका रेन लवर शो के एक ब्रांड न्यू सीरीज के एक ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड में। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और आपका दोस्त रेन लवर। Today, we have got a very special guest straight away from Mumbai, an actress, a model, and her name is Sneha. Hey Sneha, we are glad to have you on our show, and how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you doing? Thank you for having me on your show.
Thank you so much Sneha for being here and I'm doing absolutely fine और आपका आना और हमारे शो पे तो चार चांद और लग जाने हैं. So thank you so much for being a part of the show. So Sneha, how's life going on और मुंबई की क्या हाल चाल है?
मुंबई में तो यार कोरोना फैला है पूरा, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हालत बेकार है. एवरीबडी इज़ वर्किंग लाइक क्रेजी, लाइक डॉक्टर्स हो, पुलिसमैन हो, वो भी बेचारे काम कर करके थक गए, बट स्टिल इट इज़ स्प्रेडिंग. वो कम हो नहीं रहा है. सो वी हैव टू लाइक टेक प्रिकॉशंस एंड गो विद द like nothing else.
Okay, so and it's even going difficult for all the the different industries and mostly it is really impacting the film industry जैसे कि
Yes.
for the industry you belong to. Yeah.
Yes.
So what do you say about it?
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से तो बहुत ज़्यादा इशू हो रहा है एक्चुअली. जो लोग स्पेशली टीवी से है, जो टीवी एक्टर्स है, जिनका मंथली प्रॉपर चलता है, तो उन लोग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इशू हो रहा है. बिकॉज दे आई थिंक यूज टू स्टे ऑन रेंट और अभी रेंट देने के भी इश्यूज हो रहे हैं. तो पीपल आर गेटिंग मेंटली डिस्टर्ब बिकॉज काम नहीं चल नहीं सकता. बिकॉज जहाँ पर शूट्स होते हैं वहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा यूनिट होता है, मतलब लिटरली मिनिमम 100-150 लोग तो होते ही होते हैं. सो काम तो इतने जल्दी शुरू हो भी नहीं सकता. So because of that, people are actually mentally disturbed, including me.
Oh, that's actually like ये कोरोना के बाद it has like came up with a drastic change. पूरा जो world इस चीज को सफर कर रहा है.
Yes.
So let's get started with our show. So Sneha, we want to know like to begin a career on an like as an actress.
First of all, I would love to tell you that I never wanted to be an actor. I always wanted to go for some airline stuff, the airline jobs, whether it is any crew or what do we call airline mein, air hostess and all. So I always wanted to go for that, but I don't know what suddenly triggered me, and I felt like doing modeling. And luckily that time one of my actually friend called me for a photo shoot. It was just a normal photo shoot, so I said yes immediately, and I like that, the way the way model gets dress up, hairdo, makeup, everything, stuff like that happen, the way they present themselves, and the way we shoot with different postures and everything. So I started liking that. तो मुझे वहाँ से एक्चुअली ज़्यादा फील हुआ कि आई शुड कंटिन्यू विद दिस करियर.
Okay, that's great. And Sneha, like as we have been through your profile, like we know that from your college time you were into modeling and you have been featured in a couple of magazines and even you have done some ramp walks as well. And being a calendar girl, like and good photo shoot and advertisement, you have already been featured on a couple of the ads. So how was that? Like how was your experience?
Experience was amazing, but it was very, struggling. I had to go for audition, then present myself. Even if I have done work before, still I had to go for audition, send my profile, show them what I have done, and tell them कि मैंने इतना इतना काम किया है. I have to show the whole show reel. Then they will, select me, and then they will call me for look test. If I get selected among those people, because a lot of people come for the auditions, and उसमें you get selected is a very big thing. मतलब हजारों लोगों में आप सिलेक्ट होते हो एक एड के लिए, वेदर इट इज फोटोशूट, कुछ कोई भी चीज़ हो, सीरियल कोई भी. इफ यू गेट सिलेक्टेड फॉर दैट, इट इज वेरी मच स्ट्रगलिंग, especially for a girls actually. But it was amazing experience working with known actors, especially when I had shot Kisan brand. It was TVC for Kisan brand with Munija. You must be knowing, I think him. He was there in Kasauti Zindagi, the actor. And when you get to work with like such an ensemble cast, then it is just amazing experience for me. Yeah. I mean, every normal actor who's not known yet, उनका सपना होता है एक्टर के साथ काम करने का, और अगर वो मिले तो it is very big privilege for them.
So Sneha, that was like amazing experience you had, like since from the time you have started and being into the industry. So we wanted to check what has been your greatest accomplishment as an actress.
As an actress, that I have done justice to my character in my Marathi film. Actually, I got compliment actually from my director that I have given proper justice to the character, because character is totally different from start to end, and that girl which I have played, she has a lot of shades in that character, in just one film. So that is my accomplishment, yeah.
Oh yes, and we have got that news that you are coming. Your new movie is coming soon. Yeah.
Yes.
And so congratulations.
Luckily, lockdown happened. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we understand that because of this lockdown and because of this Corona thing, most of the thing is it has got stopped. Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, so that's okay. देर आए दुरुस्त आए, हमारे भारत में तो ये बोला जाता है. So that's going to be amazing. Like once it's going to be on theaters, your movie is really gonna rock. So
thank you.
Yeah.
Blessings.
So lot of blessings. So Sneha, so can you just describe like your acting style?
My acting style, यार बड़ा मुंह छोटी बात, sorry, छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात हो गई है तो. But my acting style is like I do not copy anyone. This is what I feel according to me. I mean, जितना मैं अपने आप को जानती हूँ, I do not copy anyone, though I don't like that also. What I do is always I read the script, I feel the character कि कोई भी अगर सीन है, कोई भी छोटा सीन हो या फिर बड़ा सीन हो, कोई भी सीन है, तो उस टाइम उस कैरेक्टर की जगह अगर मैं होती तो मुझे रियलिटी में क्या फील होता. I always work like this and it comes on very natural way, very very real and natural way. This is how I do.
That's really nice, like very positive और बहुत straightforward.
Yeah.
और कुछ ऐसा ही इनफैक्ट लोगों को देखना भी पसंद है, like things to be very natural.
Yeah.
कुछ ज्यादा dramatic नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah,
And
no
yeah,
drama.
yes, correct. So Sneha, now the question arises is, so do you think like as you said, like you perform it very naturally and you get into the character and you play the role, so which basically comes out as an original, like it's not a dramatic, basically it's a real act going on.
Going on.
Exactly. So what do you think? So according to you, like is honesty always the best policy?
Most of the time, yes. According to me, yes. See, if you wanna copy something and आप रट्टा मार रहे हो या फिर you remember some other stuff from any other film कि अरे उसमें उस एक्टर ने ऐसे किया था, so I should also do that. So there is no use of it. यार उस एक्टर की एक अलग आइडेंटिटी है, आपकी अलग होनी चाहिए. दो मेरा मतलब छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, बट मैं अभी तक कुछ बनी नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट अ प्रॉपर known personality yet. But according to me, you should not copy anyone, because every actor has different character. I mean, हर इंसान अलग होता है. अगर आप कॉपी करने जाओ, so what's the मतलब, there is no use doing acting. It means you're acting. It should be natural. According to me, this is what I feel.
Such a beautiful thought process you have, Sneha, and I really appreciate that you have a kind of a thought process. और ये चीज basically we expect कि सभी के पास हो, so that इससे क्या होता है कि like kind of a thought process what really it gives to a artist, to anyone basically, to any normal human being as well, कि एक आगे बढ़ने का मौका, right?
Exactly.
And yeah, that is really motivating. And for all the listeners, do follow and check out Sneha's social profiles, and her social handles are mentioned on the description down. So go and check it out. Do follow her and stay updated with her latest upcomings. Her movies is even coming out soon to be on stores. So go and check it out. Do follow her. Her Instagram, Facebook, like all the social handles are mentioned down in the description. So Sneha, how do you like to encourage ideas in others?
Encourage ideas that nobody should, people should not take anything in a bad way. Stay positive, stay pumped up, and you will reach your goal, I think. Yeah, according to me, because people have different motive, और different thoughts, because of industry ऐसी है, ऐसा है, ये चीज़ होती है, वैसा होता है. आधे, to be honest, होता भी है, that's true, and I accept कि सच में होता भी है, but not necessary. Nobody is gonna force you into anything. Nobody is gonna कि ऐसा ही करना है, या फिर do this thing only, then only you will get work. ऐसा नहीं होता all the time. If people are professional, then they will not ask you such a stuff. So you should be positive first of all. Otherwise, nothing will happen. This is what I call struggle, especially for girls.
Oh, okay. And Sneha, of all the roles you have played in the past, so which is your favorite?
This one only, my Marathi film, which was about to release. The name is Priya. The character name is Priya in that film. So that one only I like the most, because it has a lot of shades, start to end, from positive to negative, and what she does and what kind of thing she does and stuff like that. Whatever she does, she has done it in a different way all the time. So that one only I like the most. And it is really my amazing, kind of character. Yeah, it is my kind of character somehow. So I like that.
Wow, that's really amazing, Sneha. And so would you like to reveal the name of your movie? Your upcoming movie?
It's Kata Kir. It's Kata Kir.
Kata Kir, right?
Yes.
So for all my listeners, first time live on Rain Lover Show, the name of the movie is revealed. Stay tuned, trailers will be out on the market. Go check it out on YouTube, and it will be soon on theaters. So go check it out, pre-book your tickets. So this movie is going to be really amazing.
Trailer is not out yet.
Oh, you mean to say the trailer is not out and we have got to know about the movie name, right?
Yeah,
yeah. Wow. That's a pleasure basically. The name is fixed. Oh, that's really amazing. So we're gonna see an actor, a model, like actually playing a realistic role on an upcoming movie, and जिसकी trailer भी अभी launch नहीं हुई है, and the name has been revealed on our show. That's really amazing, fantastic. So all the listeners, go and check it out. So Sneha, we want to know something more about you. Like, when you have worked with a diverse group of people ever in your career till now?
Yes. I have been working with all the time. Yeah, I mean, wherever you go, you get different cast, different crew, and different kind of people, and you have to work with them. So it is all about diverse kind of people all the time, because everything is different than you have done before, all the time.
Yeah, that is also one of a point that you cannot, ignore a kind of a specific people, and you will have a kind of a different specific people. So yeah, the balance need to be maintained every time. So that is true. So how do you show your castmates basically the importance of communication?
It is very much mandatory. Yeah, this is the best question, I tell you. It is very much mandatory. Castmates should be, comfortable. More than anything, they should be comfortable with each other, so you can, discuss about the scene which you all gonna play together. So it comes in a very natural and very real way. The scene should not look like dramatic or something. Okay, cause कभी भी कोई भी सीन अगर आप थिएटर में देखो या फिर टीवी पर देखो, कोई भी एनी सीन, कोई भी किसी भी चीज़ का सीन हो, या फिर यूट्यूब पे भी नॉर्मल देख लो, तो ना आप एक सीन जब चलता है ना, तब यू कैन ईजीली गेस कि दिस पीपल आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, कि दिख रहा है. सो कास्ट एंड क्रू, मोर देन दैट, एक्टर्स शुड बी कंफर्टेबल विद ईच अदर, हाँ, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. बहुत ज़्यादा उनको कम्युनिकेशन करके कि ओके, this I'm gonna take this line in such a way, so you take it that way. ये सब हम सब we all do that all the time, we all do that all the time. जब भी मैं जाती हूँ किसी भी शूट पे, भले फिर वो सीरियल का हो या फिर नॉर्मल छोटा सा सीन भी हो, भले जिसमें कम्युनिकेशन ना भी हो, तो भी with those expressions you can do such a stuff. So communication is the most prominent part actually.
Oh, okay. So कई सारी informations अपने को मिल रही है आज about the industry, about the people. So that's really interesting. So we have got some quick questions for you now. Like it's a demanding question. So we want to know, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black, red.
And what is the reason behind it?
I don't know. I have a lot of black clothes actually. My mom shouts at me every day that I have a lot of black clothes. This much I love. I don't know why. मुझे पसंद है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा black, red. I love them. I don't know why.
Okay. And your favorite food?
Chinese. I just love Chinese. I can have it every day. Chinese.
Okay. A favorite place to travel?
Favorite place to travel, I haven't traveled yet, but it has to be Maldives.
And your favorite mobile brand?
I'm not a brand conscious person, yeah. I'm okay with anything. I'm not like कि iPhone ही चाहिए और OnePlus ही चाहिए. I'm okay with anything. I'm not a brand conscious person.
That was really amazing, Sneha. So this program is brought to you by Symphony Music Entertainment Private Limited. Do check it out, our socials down there in the description, and do follow us to stay updated with the shows. So we are coming to the end of the program, and we want to know some very important and specified question from Sneha. That Sneha, when you suffer a setback, how does the how does that emotionally affects you and your work?
To be honest with you, it will affect me a lot. Definitely. I wish it should not happen with anyone, because not just me, we all have been bursting our asses from couple of years to reach to a certain level. Then if something like that happened, then definitely I will be devastated that time. But at the end of the day, this is life, you can't do anything. So I will handle myself at the end, and by keeping plan B. Everybody who want to do career into industry, they should keep plan B as well. Suppose if this doesn't work, then something plan B will work, and continue with it and move ahead in your life. Nothing else.
So that was really motivational, Sneha, and thank you so much for being here on our show.
Thank you for having me.
At the last,
yes.
Please go ahead. Please say something.
No, it was I'm so happy that you called me for your show. I'm really happy. It's a big privilege. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sneha. Would you like to say something to our listeners? Whatever you wanna communicate, or whatever you wanna say, anything there in your mind, and would you like to give
nothing, guys. Okay, nothing, guys. Just stay positive. I know this is Corona situation is happening, but we guys have to stay positive. Who all are Corona positive, I'll just bless them कि वो जल्द से जल्द ठीक हो, और बाकी जो लोग हैं, प्लीज स्टे सेफ ऑलवेज, wear mask every day wherever you go outside, and just be happy with it, and I'll pray that Corona will go soon and our life will be back like before. I really wish. Love you all.
Thank you so much, Sneha. And dear listeners, please go and check out Sneha's social handles are mentioned down in the description. You can follow her on Instagram, on Facebook, on all the different platforms. She's available everywhere. Her movie is coming out soon. So thank you so much, listeners, and this is the end of the show. Signing off.
Thank you.
This program is brought to you by Symphony Music Entertainment Private Limited. Follow us on our socials for exciting updates, behind the show, and much more. Link in the description. Keep tuning.